like I'm always in this car going somewhere, fiddling with my hair. Say hi, guys.
Hello.
Put your belt on, please, because one of my subscribers, she panics when she doesn't see you in your belt. So please put your belt on.
Why?
Because she feels like we're gonna get in a car accident and she's gonna lose us. Hi guys. So today's the second day with my hair short. I was getting ready. I was rushing, so I couldn't really style it the way I wanted. So I just threw my synthetic wig on. Yes, it's synthetic. You know, it's the only thing I can afford on my level. How you doing? Anyways, my husband gave me 2 options. Right, honey? Was it 2 options? Yes. He offered to get my nails done, you know, which yours truly over here loved to get her nails done. I'm like, I would not pass that up for the world, but we're moving and I don't want to put a new set on and don't have the right person to maintain it. Like, I don't know when we move who's gonna maintain it, so I don't want to get a really nice set and fall in love with it and then, you know, not be able to upkeep it. So I'm holding off until we move to find a really nice guy or girl to get my nails done. It would have been really lovely to get my nails done for Mother's Day, but it's gonna be a waste of set if I can't maintain it. So I told my husband, I was like, why don't you just take me to Hobby Lobby? Like, there's stuff on my teeth. Who does not like to go to Hobby Lobby? I know I love to go to Hobby Lobby. I enjoy going to Hobby Lobby. Like, Hobby Lobby is like my drug. Like, yes. It's my drug, and he's taking me to Hobby Lobby for Mother's Day. How bizarre does that sound? But anyways, I just had to clean your guys' eyes. There was something on my lens. I was editing the other day and I saw some stuff on the thing and I was like, oh, my lens is dirty. Anyways, that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna be so excited to show you guys around Hobby Lobby. I'm so excited to get stuff for the new house. Like, shopping for the new house just brings me so much joy. I'm like, oh. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. I like this piece right here, and I know exactly where I want to put it, and it's 30% off. So I like it. I don't know if you guys like this, but it's gonna go in the wall that is in the living and the dining room. But I don't know if this little piece right here is gonna block the airflow. I wanted something totally open so that we wouldn't block the airflow. But I really like how it has the cross in the back thing. But I haven't found anything else that's maybe this table. But it's a bit too antique-ish for me. It's not really my taste, but I want something completely open. So, but I like this guy. I like it. I don't know. I can't convince hubby on the price tag. But they have some more stuff. Like, they have this, the whole wall.
They got a pickup truck?
I want this for the front, but I want it smaller. Where you come in, you know, right when you come in, I want that. Right when you come in, and so you can sit and put your shoes or something. I know it's too big, but something like that. You get the idea. Hi, sweet girl. Hi. She just woke up from her nap.
Isn't that pumpkin season already?
Almost. No, that's
good.
fall. That's fall stuff. I don't know why, but they usually have their stuff, all their stuff out. If it's a bigger store. This is so cute, guys. Look at that. Farm fresh. This little stand right here. What is it? A bunch of rusty metal. Don't be talking about my farmhouse stuff, okay? This is cute. This is cute for the dining room. Put 2 of those up and a sign.
You don't live in a farm.
Please.
People in a farm don't want this. Why do you want this?
Because
people in the farm wish they didn't have this, and then you want to buy it.
Wish they didn't have it. I can't be bothered with them. This is $65. I can't bother with my husband. Oh, look. Oh, this is so pretty for that wall that I told you. I don't want no barbecue pig in my house. Grill master at work. Oh, this is cute. This one. That one is cute. Oh, I love the little menu thing. This would be nice to put on the counter to write what you want for dinner every day.
I'm not doing that. It's not happening.
It's not happening. It's a cute idea. They never used to have this 3-tiered shelf. Oh, they have a lot of. Which one? That one right there? When you like something, I have to get excited because, yeah. I don't know where I'm gonna put that because all my space in the house is accounted for. This probably is broken. All of them. Oh, there go. See? I want something like this.
It's too big.
But it's a little too big.
It's a lot big.
It's not too bad for the front of the house when you come in to sit and take your shoes off. Oh, look at that. I love that. I don't know where I would put it, but it's cute. Oh, I know where I want to put this. Right there beside the cabinet to put like onions and potato. What do you think? This is the one. What do you think about this one? It's not too big. Oh, or how about this one? How about this one? The church pew looking one? You like that one?
Yeah, but it's not what
it's too wobbly.
No, it's gonna damage.
And I want white.
It'll rain. It's gonna damage it.
Oh. I like this. This is cute. That's cute.
Small?
Yes, that's what I need for the front. Well, inside. Inside. You know, by the door, when you sit, right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Something like this.
Not outside, though.
No, outside next to the door.
No, not outside.
Oh.
Like,
I'm talking about outside.
outside, this is not gonna hold up. You need something like this, metal, galvanized metal. Even this,
It's too big.
it's too big, but I'm saying material like this is for outside. Yeah.
You know, because I want my coaster.
So we're done with we're finished with Hobby Lobby. Got some really cute stuff I'm gonna show you guys. One of the main reasons why I went was to do a wall in the back of the house, but Marcelo didn't really like the stuff. Well, it's not that he didn't like the stuff, but we're at Chick-fil-A. Hold on.
What's up, brother? How you doing?
Not bad.
Good. Let me get the spicy deluxe.
That's all we ever get.
The meal.
So I don't know why he's looking at the menu.
Yeah, what do you want?
Sprite. The same.
Same thing with a Sprite. And let me get 4 chicken strips, just the strips. All Polynesian. Alright. Pay here or can I pay over there?
It's gonna be at the window.
Alright.
Awesome sauce. So
Thank you, you too.
we just ordered our food from Chick-fil-A. I love Chick-fil-A. I can't come to Chick-fil-A and not.
Chicken strips right
I
there.
can't come, and their chicken nuggets is really good. But we always get the same thing, which is the spicy chicken deluxe thingy. So I'm gonna enjoy my food and feed Miss Maddie, and I'm like so excited because hubby got some really cool stuff. I gave the budget that I was gonna do the wall to him, so he got some stuff for the mud room area. We still gotta get some bench. We got so much to get, but little at a time. We can't go overboard because we still haven't closed yet, so we still have to be careful with our spending. So, but little by little, you know, buying stuff for the house kind of makes it, you know, feel kind of real. and at the same time it kind of takes our mind off of the fact that we still don't have an address for the house or a water meter, or
take your mind off it, not me.
It takes my mind off it. Well, I don't know about him. Our PM just told us that we are locked out this weekend, so we can't go by the house, and we're locked out. We got carpet and our appliances came in. I'm not too excited about the appliances because we got the basic package and everything, but hubby over here, he could care less. He could care less about the appliances. As long as they work and all that, he doesn't care. But me, but it's okay, I can live with it. It's not a big deal. And I can live with it until I can afford to change them out, which is next week. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit. What, baby? Okay, so guys, this is Maddie's going crazy because she wants French fries. Okay, I'm coming. So we got some French fries. Okay, I'm coming. We got some French fries. We got some spicy chicken.
Yeah, they stingy with the damn fries.
Oh my gosh, what? We got some Polly sauce. This is the best sauce ever, which is Polly.
Polynesian?
Yeah, the Polynesian.
She mumbled.
And then my husband got some chicken strips. I thought he got it for the baby, but I think he got it for himself. Oh, look at that bad boy. Look at that. Can't even get it off. I'm gonna go scarf this food down. Right there. So, our PM just told us that we can't go to the house because...
My fries or your fries?
That's your fries.
Why you taking my fries? You took like 3 out of my fries.
No, I did not.
Look at your cup. You took 1, 8, and then you took 1 and gave it to Maddie.
Here.
I'm playing with my food.
I didn't take anything out of it. Our PM told us that we're locked out of the house, and this is why we're fat. But it's okay. I'd rather be fat. I'd rather die a fat person than to die skinny and hungry. We're locked out of the house this weekend, so we can't go. And I was hoping to go down, but we're locked out. We're waiting on our address so we can get a closing date. Right now we only have a walkthrough date, which usually when you walk, you can settle the same day. But I don't want to do that in case something's wrong with the house and they have to fix it. Because I don't want to close on the house that something is wrong with it, and then they don't come back out and fix it. Even though a lot of people have said that they're good at coming back and fixing what's wrong, I still don't want to do that, you know. I want the house to be perfect, as perfect can be in an unperfect world or whatever. So that's our dilemma right now, but we're hoping to close this month. But our PM is saying that we might close the first week of June. You want more? So that's all the update I have for you guys. I'm gonna go enjoy my lunch, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye guys. Okay guys, so this is what I got from Hobby Lobby when we went the other day. And this is just a shelf for the mud room when you come through the garage. So this is what Marcelo chose for that area. I don't know if you guys can see it properly because it's a bunch of stuff on my bed. And then it's like that, so it's a little shelf. You guys, so it says bust the food before us, the family beside us. and the love between us. Amen. So this is going to go in the kitchen where the little eating area is. This sign right here is going to be get that from her. This sign right here is going to be when you come in through the door. And what I'm trying to do is, when we've framed the house, we've wrote scriptures on the frame. So as much of the scriptures that are on the inside of the home, I would like to have on the exterior. What?
I know where you put this.
Interior. No. Whatever is inside the walls, I want outside.
I know what you're saying.
I know where you put this. I know where you
Shut it, Rob. And my subscribers say you need to smile more.
No one knows what you're saying.
Smile, Rob. Show them you can smile. There you go. So fake. So that is that. It is fake. Okay, so this was one of the signs that hubby liked, and I told him he could have it. So it just says pantry, and evidently, or obviously, it's going to be right above our pantry, so everyone knows that we have a pantry. I told hubby he could pick something out for his garage, so he picked this out, and it's just his tools rule. He went a little crazy, and he got extra stuff.
Don't touch them.
So went ahead and got these, and this is just coasters, but they're actually in the form of what are these, bullets?
Shotgun shells.
Is that what this is? What is this?
Shotgun shells.
Shotgun shells. So it's just coasters. So he wanted those for the outside, and then he got I don't know what this is.
It's the same thing.
It's an ashtray.
It's an ashtray.
But shotgun shells.
I don't know why he has an ashtray, because he should be quitting smoking, but hey.
They're also shotgun shells.
That's that for the hubby.
Hubby wubby.
And then from Amazon,
Where's my bottle opener?
I got this little thing
My
that
bottle opener's not there?
if it's not here. Oh, and he has a bottle opener. Yay. And then for the door, the front door, I just got this hello sign with the arrow.
Hello.
So it's gonna go on the front door, and we have a black front door. So Mr. Jackson's room is going to be planes, trains, and trucks and toys. So I got this sign that says planes, trains, trucks, and toys. There's nothing quite like little boys. So that's that. And then I got him this sign that says Route 66 and stop. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this all, and I will see you guys on another day. Bye, guys.